Hi guys, ito po ang application na kumita po ako dito ng 383 pesos by just doing cashback. Yung cashback wala kang ilalabas na pera. Meron silang mga offer like ito. So, like this Shopee. Ayan. So, paste your Shopee product link here. Earn cashback without shopping. Yun lang yung gagawin mo dito. And then, you can earn cashback. Yes. By doing that. And, so here is my activity. So, ito na yung na-cash out ko dito. 383. And, I don't know about the expired. So, expired na to, inactive na siya. So, this is the completed. And, overall, yung lifetime earning ko is 445 pesos. And, so, try to install cashback and then you can refer also a friend to join and earn 50 pesos I think or 100 pesos per person na i-refer mo dito. So watch list, dito mo makikita yung mga available na pwede